Hey everybody, it's the day after Thanksgiving and I'm out in the woods behind my house. Come to visit the old Crapper house, doing some metal detecting. And been back here before. Used to be an old homestead here underneath all those fallen trees. And came upon this thing over here. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's some kind of pit. Maybe a root cellar or something. It's like right there is concrete. To there, comes down to about there. And over here, back up. I would say it was about 3 by 5. I'm starting to clear it out and see what I can find. Maybe it's a burn hole. Maybe it's a root cellar. I'm not quite sure. Pull some old bottles out of the ground. Other than that, an old dish pan right there. Every now and then I'll walk out here and fall and winter time, see what the rain has washed out, leaves unveil. But in all that big old mess, there's a cistern, or better known as a well. I've checked it, there's nothing down inside that. Well, just showing you what I'm doing on my Black Friday day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.